Hey guys, are you sad that your foundation is no longer giving you any more? All you have to do, and you can do this with any product that you have that's run out, it's really not all fully run out. So what you do is you cut this top part off, and look, all that foundation that's still in there, you can still use. So like for instance here, squeeze it out, and there you go. Still have a lot more foundation there. See? So it really, you have so much. And then I'm just applying this with my fingers, but you guys get the idea. And then once you're done applying everything, now this can be lotion or your favorite mask that you do at nighttime. What you do is, obviously I have to even this out a little bit, but it gives me the coverage I need. You take the top part that you just did, fold it just a little bit, go like this. There you go. Hope that helps you guys. Bye.